Welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor, BA Department. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic Types of Social Media Sites. Social networking sites are some of the most pervasive on the internet, encompassing such sites as Facebook and Twitter. These platforms are excellent for companies that want to share their information on a single convenient social media platform. For example, companies can communicate event details, announcement, information about promotions and their timely topics. Companies can also participate in digital customer surveys and respond to general discussion posts. Depending on the specific site, social networking platforms provide ample opportunities to interact with customers in real time. The downside of social networking site is their almost continual maintenance. In addition, their content may not always be seen by a wide audience. Because social networking sites are so interactive, marketers should feel comfortable with audience clicking through to a company's main website at slower than average rates. In details, I'll explain you the types of social networks. Number one and most famous is the Facebook. This is the biggest social media network on the internet, both in terms of total number of users and name recognition. Founded on February 2004, Facebook have within 12 years managed to accumulate more than 1.59 billion monthly active users, and this automatically makes it one of the best medium for connecting people from all over the world with your business. It is estimated that more than 1 million small and medium sized business use platform to advertise their business. Number 2 is Twitter. You might be thinking that limiting your post to 140 characters is no way to advertise your business. But you will shocked to know that this social media platform has more than 320 million active monthly users who make use of the 140 characters limit to pass on information. Business can use Twitter to interact with their prospective clients, answer questions, release latest news, and at the same time use target ads with specific audience. Twitter has founded in 2006 and has its headquarters in San Francisco, California. Number 3 is LinkedIn, founded in December 2002, launched in 2003. LinkedIn is hands down the most popular social media site for professional networking. This website is available in 24 languages and has over 400 million registered users. LinkedIn is great for people looking to connect with people in small industries, networking with local professionals, and displaying business related information and statistics. Next is Google Plus. While it is not Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn, Google Plus had its place among the popular social media sites. Its SEO value alone make it a must-use tool for any small business. Launched on December 2011, Google Plus has joined the big language, registering 418 active million users as on December 2015. Next is YouTube. The largest, most popular videos based on social media website was founded on Feb 14, 2005 by three former PayPal employees. It was later November 2006. YouTube has over 1 billion website visitors per month and is the second most popular search engine behind Google. Next is Pinterest. Launched in March 2010, Pinterest is a relatively newcomer to the social media area. This platform consists of digital bulletin boards where business can pin their content. Pinterest announced September 2015 that it had acquired 100 million users. Small business whose target audience is mostly made up of women should definitely invest in Pinterest as more than half of the visitors are women. Next is Instagram. Like Pinterest, Instagram is a visual social media platform. The site launched in 2010 has more than 400 million active users and is owned by Facebook. Many of its users use it to post information about travel, fashion, food, art, and similar subjects. The platform is also distinguished by its unique filter together with audio and photo editing features. Almost 95% of Instagram users also use Facebook. Tumblr Tumblr is one of the most difficult to use social network platform, but it is also one of the most interesting site. The platform allows several different post formats, including quote post, chat post, videos, photo post, as well as audio post. So you are never limited to the type of content that you want to share. Like Twitter, reblogging, which is more like retweeting, is quick and easy. The social networking website was founded by David Karp in 2007 and currently hosts more than 200 million blogs. Next is Flickr. Flickr, pronounced Flickr, is an online image and video hosting platform that was created by then Vancouver based Ludicorp on Feb 10, 2004, and later acquired by Yahoo in 2005. The platform is popular with users who share and embedded photographs. As of October last year, Flickr had more than 112 million users and had its footprint in more than 63 countries. An average of million photos are shared daily on Flickr. Next is Reddit. This is social news and entertainment network website where registered users can submit content such as direct links and text photos. Users are also available to organize and determine their position on the site pages by voting submissions up or down. Submission with the most positive votes appear in the top categories or main page. Reddit was founded by the University of Virginia roommates Alex O'Neill and Steve Huffman on January 2005. A decade later, the site boasts more than 36 million registered accounts and 231 million monthly visitors. Next is Snapchat. Snapchat is an image messaging application software product that was created by Reggie Brown, Evan Spiegel, and Bobby Murphy when they were students at Stanford University. The app was officially released in September 2011, and time they have grown immensely, registering an average of 100 million daily active users in 2015. More than 18% of all social media users are Snapchat. Next is WhatsApp. WhatsApp Messenger is a cross-platform instant messaging client for smartphone, PC, and tablets. The app relies on internet to send images, text, documents, and audio-video messages to other users that have the app installed on their devices. Launched in 2010, WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook on Feb 2004 for about $19.3 billion. Today, more than 1 billion people use the service to communicate with their friends, loved ones, and even customers. Next is Quora. Capitalizing upon human curiosity is an ingenious idea that would lead to certain creation and launch of Quora in June 2009. The website, co-founded by two former Facebook employees, Charlie Shiver and Adam D'Angelo, now claims that it received more than 80 million monthly unique visitors, with half of them coming from the US. So far, the question and answer website has managed to raise $141 in venture capital funds, and while it doesn't look ready to go public yet, it is definitely a company to wait. Next is Vine. With over 40 million users, Vine is rapidly growing video sharing social media app that allow users to share 6-second video clip with their followers. While this look like a real short time for a video business of all sizes are having tremendous success using this service. Vine was founded in 2012, later acquired by Twitter in 2012 October, just before its official launch. Next is Delicious. This is social bookmarking web service for discovering, storing and sharing web bookmarks. The site was founded by Peter Gershakov and Johan Sachert in 2003 and acquired in 2005 by Yahoo. By the end of 2008, Delicious claimed that it had bookmarked 180 billion users URLs, acquired more than 5.3 million users. This service was later sold out to AVOS System in 2011, who later sold it to Science Inc. In January this year, Delicious Media said that it had acquired the service. Next is Dick, founded more than a decade ago in 2004. Dig is a news aggregator with its curated front page that selects stories specifically for the internet audience. The topics vary widely from trending political issues to science to viral internet issues and anything in between. Dig supports sharing of content to other social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter. In 2015, the company claimed that it had about 11 million active monthly users. Next is Viber. Viber is a voice over IP and instant messaging app for mobile devices that was developed and released by Viber Media on December 2nd, 2010. The app also allows for exchanging of audio, video, and images between users. As of April 2014, Viber had acquired close to 600 million registered users and 230 million actively monthly users. This is all in history of social networking sites. Keep watching Technia TV.